Are you getting the annoying scratch disks or full error in Photoshop? Let's solve the problem in a simple way in a few minutes. Step 1. Delete temporary files in the Windows environment. Type %temp%. Delete all files. Step 2. Search disk cleanup. Step 3. Open Photoshop. Click to edit. Select Preference. Click Scratch Disk. Select All Drive. Hopefully, your Photoshop problem will be resolved.